Good day, everyone. My name is Abuso, and this time we will be discussing the measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. But before that, please check our group chat in Messenger and click the Mentimeter link and answer the question. So, alright. According to your responses, so here are the data that we collected. Okay, so for 10 minutes, let's have a group activity. So using the data that we have collected, do the following. So first, arrange the data in ascending order. Second, calculate the average. Third, find the middle number of the data. Then lastly, identify the most frequent number up here. Okay, so time's up. So exchange papers with the other groups and we will check your papers along with the discussion. So let's start. So our discussion right now is all about the measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. Our objectives are, at the end of the lesson, students should be able to define mean, median, and mode, and B. Find the median and mode of ungrouped data. We have three measures of central tendency of ungrouped data, which is the mean, median, and modes. But before we proceed to our three measure of central tendency, let's arrange first the data that we have collected in ascending order. So, this is the data in ascending order. 11, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, and 15. We already arranged the data in ascending order, let us define mean. So mean is also known as average, no? It is the sum of the values divided by the total of values. So here are formula. So mean is equal to the summation of x over n, where x is the values of the data set and n is the total number of values. Using the data that we have collected from the previous activity, let's plug in to our formula to find the mean of our data. So 11 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15 plus 15 all over 15, since our total number of values is 15. So it equals to 193 over 15, and 193 divided by 15 is equal to 12.87. So 12.87 is our mean or our average. So please check the papers on your hand, no? Then also check if the order is correct. So I forgot to tell you to check the ascending order a while ago. So just check, since we also using the ascending order already. Since we know how to find the mean or the average of the data, let's proceed to median. So median is the midpoint of the data array. How to find the median? So if the total number is odd, first step is to arrange the data in ascending order. Second, find the middle value. And if the total number is even, same, arrange the data in ascending order. Find the middle value. Then since the middle value is 2, we have to add those two middle number and then divide it by 2. Let's find the median of the data we have collected. So arrange in ascending data. So we already have the ascending order of our data. Then second, since we have 15 total numbers, which is odd, we will only find the middle value, which is 13. So our median of our data is 13. Okay, please check the papers of the other groups if it is correct. Then for the important reminder, it is very important for us to arrange first the data in ascending order so that for us, we can easily find the middle value. Since we already know how to find the mean and median, let's proceed on how we can find or identify the mode of our data. So mode is the value that occurs most often in a data set. So how to find the mode? So still in step 1, we have to arrange the data in ascending order for us to easily find the most frequent value that appear. Then step 2, find the value that appears most frequently. So this is very easy now. So using the collected data, here is the ascending order. Then step 2 is find the value that appears frequently. So as we can observe, we have only 1, 11, then we have 6, 12, then we have 4, 13, and then 2, 14, and 15. So it only means that 12 is the value that most appear frequently. So for our mode is 12. Okay, so since we already know how to find the mean, median, and mode of data, specifically for ungrouped data, for 15 minutes, it is an individual activity. Given this data, your work is to find and calculate the mean, median, and mode of the given data and write at least 5 factors why most of the students got a high score or a low score. Then take a picture of your work and submit in the Google Classroom. So I will be posting a portal for the submission of your activity this day. Okay, time's up. So I will be checking your works later. And as for now, as for the conclusion for our lesson for today, so mean is also known for average, and the formula for getting the mean is equal to the summation of x over n, and then while the mean is the middle value of the data, and the mode is the number or the value that most frequently appears. So both median and mode is there's a need to arrange the data in ascending order for us to easily find the mode and the median. Now let's have a short quiz. So I will be posting a